वास्को चिखलेच्या रेजिना मुंडी शाळेच्या ब्रदर डीओ स्लेटरी फुटबॉल खेळामाळाचे उक्तावण जाले। खासदार फ्रांसिस्को सार्दिना हजर असलो। स्कुलांक जाय त्यो सुविधा तयार करून दिल्यात आणि मुखारय दितलो, सार्दिनान सांगला।
Brother Sebastian, he approached me that I know Regina Mundi is a renowned school, plus they also very much interested in sports. So their playground was in a bad shape. Says that, sir, if you can do this. I said, sure. So we have taken up this playground. We have spent 38 lakhs and whatever little facilities beyond playing also they wanted, like a tube well and something else, that also we have taken up. So that is only to show that we are there, or at least I am there throughout the stage. Whatever money I get from MP led, I've spent, and luckily I got little share from the previous MP, so that I have got little more money at my disposal. So I want to assure not only this school and all the other schools around in the south of Goa that I'm there for any help I can do within rules. Because I believe there should not be difference between the rural and the urban school. I must have studied in Lalas, though I was from the village. So what happened today, where some schools do very well, you don't even get admission. There are other schools also saying the same courses. They have to go around sort of asking people to join them. So if you want a school to do well, all the facilities should be there. And then I congratulate Brother Sebastian, his staff, parents, teachers, that their children will get the facilities.
It was the dream of all the students, ex-students of Regina Mundi School to have a proper football ground. For the last 50 years, we used to play on a stone ground. So after years, our MP, Francisco Sarna, took up this project, and here we have a proper ground for them. No doubt grass is not there, but in the course of time, our ex-student association will come forward and lay the turf and give them a proper and good playground. We are the cradle of football in Mormugao and the whole of Goa. Just yesterday, our team has reached the finals of the South Goa district at Chicalim under 17 age group. And with the support of the management, the teachers, I'm sure we'll be climbing the ladder of sports all over Goa, not only in football. And we are very thankful to our MP, Mr. Francisco Sardina, for going all out to give us this playground. He has even given us borewell, and whatever we had asked, he has given us. So we are really grateful to him.
गोवा 365 खातीर हिरू महाले, गौतमी गावकार आणि निखिल जल्मी।